with a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. I want to jump on here. Stocks falling as expected. Did get stopped out of crypto for break-even small profits, but they're 1,200 lower on Bitcoin. What, about 90 lower on Ethereum. Everything else is getting slapped a little bit. So I wanted to go over that here real quick. Once again, powered by Oracle Networks. What's up, Craig? Big House, Zemi, Lloyd. What's going on, Lloyd? So usual, just a quick update here. Bitcoin 27,950. Ethereum 1742. Litecoin down to 7380. So a little bit of weakness there. Let's go to the bigger screen here. SPY. You can see here again. Technometer, actually yesterday's high gave us a 49.8, and I posted that in Discord a couple places, so still looks lower. We're sitting here at 47.5. There's been no real selling coming in. It's been a little bit, looks like more buying on the SPY. The prices are sending lower, so it looks like bids are getting hit. That's why Technometer is not getting oversold, so still looks kind of sloppy here. So it looks like stocks continue to work lower, and that is once again pulling on crypto in a risk-off type environment. So far that's looks like still lower. Here's QQQ loading. Same thing here. You can see Technometer 44.6. We are back down to what I think was previous fourth wave support. So looking for maybe a bottom somewhere here, but haven't gotten it yet. What's up, Sats McGee? Let me give you a wrench here real quick. Give you a blue wrench. That just lets people know that everyone here is about business. Drain the swamp. I recognize that name, I believe. Not sure who that is. So again, stocks still look lower to me. I've been saying that here for the last month or so. Still appears more downside coming. TLT has been the culprit. Interest rates. You can see here. Let's go to the 1 year so we can see it better. We're at new lows on TLT. Technometer oversold 4 days ago. We've continued lower. We're coming down to the lows of last October. Fell out of that accumulation. I thought TLT would bounce up to 98. Not getting it. Still oversold. So at some point here they might go for bonds because the stock's so sloppy. All right, drain the swamp. Let me get you a wrench too while I'm here. All right, there you are, drain the swamp. So again, TLT not bouncing. A few more stock things we're going to go over as I usually do here. Let's look at XLE. Long that from June 26. It continues holding up very well. Oil prices staying firm. I mean, U.S. here has what? No reserves. Biden got rid of everything. That could be a problem here. Here's the 1-year XLE. You can see I was looking for a little bit of an ABC here, so we might get another 3 days down or so before we get another buy, but technometer's neutral after being overbought. So I like XLE probably on any type of pullback. I'm going to go to a few stocks here real quick. I'm not buying anything today, but getting prepared. Cisco came out with earnings. Was down a couple dollars after earnings, but came in today higher, up about $1.50. Now we're up about $2. I was talking about that one under accumulation, staying firm. That one probably has wind at its back. So if you can see Cisco up there top right, 55.06, up $2 today. A new one, HXL. I'm not sure if I showed that yesterday. Let's look at that one here real quick. That one's acting pretty well. Up a couple dollars today. I like that action here in the last week. While markets have been weak the last 2 or 3 weeks, HXL looks like it's trying the upside again. That's the one coming out of Wyckoff accumulation. You can see there. Buying climax, automatic reaction, secondary test, spring test, jump, back up. If you don't know the Wyckoff markings, take the Wyckoff Unleashed course. Then let's go to SLTR. Another one I'm watching, it's broke down a little bit, but I think that one's probably something to look at here. Ling Sheng Hong, what's up? Sats McGee, yeah, oil futures are holding right in there. And here's LSTR. You can see here backing up to what was previous resistance. New lows on the OP. Price holding. And that's really after a second stair-step accumulation here. That one still looks pretty good on a pullback. One I mentioned, Palo Alto Networks, but their earnings, I think, are Friday after the close, so I won't be in that one. But I'll be watching it. Bring up the 1-year chart. Then we're going to crypto here. The excitement today, again, here. Pan had the jump and the backup. Looks like, you know, hopefully just a correction. The price has been a little bit weaker, but I think, again, that's one to watch. Let's see what happens on earnings. Now to slide into the crypto. We got Bitcoin in front of us, 27,982. Let's bring a 9-month chart up here real quick. We'll come back to Tesla in a minute. It's been brutal, but I said it was going to work a little bit lower. There's Bitcoin with the jump and the backup. And now we're having another pullback here. So if we hold here, which I'll show some Elliott wave counts I had for a break to 28 grand. I gave that last couple times I've been live. Or we could fall clear back to that 25,000 level. That's the question here, whether 28 holds or whether we're headed to 25. So let's watch that. You can see technometer here. This is Bitfinex. I don't want to show that. Let me go Bitcoin USD Coinbase. Technometer there is probably around 41. Nick just joined in. Bitcoin USD Coinbase technometer loading at the bottom. 40.9, so again, 38 is normally considered oversold. We're not there yet. We go to Ethereum USD. Ethereum is a little bit more oversold because they've took it out and shot it. Quick break from 1900 down here to 1740. Technometer is down to 38.34. So definitely down at oversold levels. So again, are we bouncing here, or are we headed another 3,000 lower on Bitcoin? That's the discussion. Quickly, WWCI, our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. A tech at 40 is considered normally a buy there. I'm sure we're not there yet, but we're getting close. At least some type of sideways to higher. Technometer there. 35.75. I didn't know that came off so heavy. So definitely oversold on WWCI. So again, that makes me a little more friendly here. So let's watch that. Let's go to the LA wave counts on some crypto here. Again, there's the Bitcoin chart. Stir stepping lower. Let's go to the 4 hour where I got some LA wave markings. Let's come down again, the two that I've been showing in the Discord, and I think I showed them both here when I was live. That count is a 1-2-1-2. So again, off the low at there at 15,000, we had green 5 waves up, a red ABC, and then another 5 waves up, ABC. Stopping at 32,000 is not good on the longer term chart. Hopefully that doesn't turn into more bearishness, but could be a problem. So again, that's a 1-2-1-2, which means you want to be long right here. But for now, I'm not jumping on that. Let's look at a couple more Bitcoin LA wave charts here. Computer's being a little bit slow for some reason. There's the other count. 5 waves up. Hold on. Didn't mean to move that. So 5 waves up off the low in purple, and then a larger ABC, and we just started that. So that would mean we're going to continue to stair step down to break that 25,000 level, give us a quick scare, and then we'll reverse it higher and send it much higher. So that's the LA wave counts. SEI, let me see if I got that down here. I thought I added that one, maybe not. Here's SCI, Tether Binance, down 17% today. And that's the one that came out straight up. Let me see. Again, on that, all I could say probably is let's go to a 15-minute chart. I'd be a buyer when I'm bullish on Bitcoin, probably not until. That is back, obviously, where it caught support, so probably okay to own a little bit here, buy more on a pullback. Let me run a quick disclaimer here real quick. I'm a registered investment advisor, managing stock assets at Schwab and managing crypto assets through trading APIs. So hold on here for my regulators. Do your own research.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Let's go back to Tesla, and then we're going to go to the Bitcoin miners and MicroStrategy that we sold what is now much higher. Tesla, I mentioned, could work lower with the SPYQQQ. I think that was when it was around 331 there 2 days ago. We're down to 225. Technometer, 41.6. We did get down to 39.3 yesterday. So I think Tesla here is getting close to the low. Maybe not quite yet. Any smash from here, I probably would be a buyer. Now we got MicroStrategy. We played this last time, got out a little too early. Made 25%, still setting and watching. Down here at 356, we'd sold, I believe, at 388 and change. Hopefully just a nice little 0.618 pullback, technometer 42.9. There's the accumulation phase. So definitely watching that one here. Then we're going to do RIOT and coin. RIOT for the pro traders, stock group, wyckoffsmi.com. We sold that up there at 1543, I believe it was. Down here at 1209, getting pretty deep. Technometer 38.8. So again, I'm close to buying that, but not doing it yet. RIOT says earnings on the 22nd. That's still a few days off, so see what happens here with RIOT. Wanting to re-enter. I wish I had sold that better. A sell up there at 19 would have been way better than 1540. But it is what it is. And last but not least, coin. This is one Nick sold at 105. I think the day of the last recovery high. Bring up the 1-year chart here. Show the accumulation phase. Back here 77.40 after selling 105. Patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month. Pretty cheap considering a lot of people charging way more than that for what we offer. So there we are. Need to hold in here very quickly probably to make this backup successful. So coin, you could start to nibble here soon. Nickel behind that in the next day or two. He's got an overhead buy at the moment. So we'll watch that. Looks like a couple people talking about some crypto requests. So here we go. Let's go back to BCH. Technometer 45.9. That thing is holding up very nicely here. You would think that thing has got higher to go. RIOT earnings came out on the 9th. All right, Big House, thanks for checking that. Maybe RIOT meant it, MicroStrategy maybe. Let's go to Link. Link, Tether, Binance. Link had the little nice little run there in July. I would think Link here, again, new lows on the OP price holding, 42.7. I would think Link here is interesting. So maybe not buy today, but I think that's one, that could be a good one here as soon as we get the next buy signal. Nibble here if you want. Could be good. So what else we got here? Let's look at Litecoin because it's came under some pressure. way more than I would have expected. And we're going to look at SOL. Another one that had a nice little pop and has given it back. Feels like it wants to go higher on SOL. Here's Litecoin. You can see our last little buy there didn't work. That's why we were talking about having stops there when Bitcoin broke down below that 29.1 level. We are oversold on Litecoin. So a good place for us. Still try to dig in at a higher low. But definitely the last 4 or 5 days is a little discouraging for Litecoin. SOL, Tether, Binance. You can see SOL, Tether, Binance oversold today. It has reversed a little bit higher with everything down. SOL's definitely trading a little bit better. So that one looks like a jump and a backup here. You could put another kind of descending line here. I think probably you could set here and draw a line kind of through here. So might be a jump and a backup here for SOL. Again, oversold. New lows on the OP, which I'm showing there in purple. So we got that today with price holding. So SOL 23.15. We were stopped out of that right here at 23.21, I believe it was, for a break even. So SOL could look good. And here's PEPE, Tether, Binance. Down at possibly support. Let's go to a little longer chart here. Trying to hold up in the last 10 days. Technometer 41.8. That one could be accumulation here, so not one of mine that I trade, but that could be okay. All right, guys, that's all I got. I went through what I wanted to. Stocks still look a little sloppy. Should pull down. Crypto maybe a hair more. Let's see if 28,000 is going to hold, or if we're going to go down to 25,000 on Bitcoin. I'm going to run the Wyckoff Unleashed course, which is what I took in 1982. Let me run that. If anyone has any other requests, post them up. I'll come back here in a minute 27. If no one asks for anything, then I'll be closing up. So here we are, Wyckoff Unleashed course.
Welcome to the Wyckoff Stock Market Institute. Our institute was founded in 1931 by technical trader Richard D. Wyckoff, one of the titans of technical analysis. Wyckoff SMI has been the leader in teaching technical trading for the past 91 plus years. Thousands of traders have chosen to learn at Wyckoff SMI for its proven trading techniques and invaluable proprietary market indicators. Enroll today in our Wyckoff Unleashed online course and get access to 39 lessons and quizzes, 8 hours of lectures, our 559-page book, and a comprehensive final exam. You will also receive 90 days free to our Pulse of the Market charting software, as well as our Pro Traders stock groups. One of our alumni says, "In 1956, I became a Wyckoff SMI student under Bob Evans. By learning the Wyckoff method of trading, many have learned to trade intelligently and successfully. Keep up the good work." Or from another, "I value the training I received 4 decades ago from the SMI. Why wait? Register and begin your journey to becoming a successful trader investor. To get the best experience, download our Wyckoff SMI app and get started today."
All right, the crypto bulbous chart. You can see here, this is just for the day. Rune up another 7%, Hex up 3%, Atom up 1.6. Then you got, SHIB down 11.4. It was strong, giving back a little bit. So SHIB might be one here also that you could trade if you so see fit. On the weekly, we got what, Rune up about 50%. And XRD, HBAR, TON, that's about it. Nothing real exciting on the crypto bubble chart. Drain the Swamp says keep an eye on SCI. No one else has any other comments, so I'm going to run a couple more ads. Patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month. I'm going to run that ad. We do manage crypto assets with APIs. Then I'm going to run the private client group for stocks through Charles Schwab. And then I'm out of here. So good luck. Probably be on here tomorrow with what's going on with stocks and crypto. See you.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.